atom smashing the key ring atom. What we're going to do is show you a simulated atomic explosion if you were to break a hydrogen atom or a key ring atom. So we're going to take it and reverse engineer it. Now, if you look at the old way that they did things, you're going to see it doesn't make near as much sense. Let me give an example. If I had a ball and I dropped the ball, and when it hits the floor, a bunch of keys came out. I told you it produced all the keys. Now you'd kind of think I was dumb if I told you that, wouldn't it? Well, what if you have something, you drop it, like this right here, key ring, you drop it, the key ring busts, what comes out? Keys. The atom is that simple. When you break an atom, particles come out. And that's the way you got to look at it, is just like the keys on your key ring. What we have here is a hydrogen key ring atom. You've caused it to break, just like dropping your keys hard enough. You got to do a lot to make these break. Okay, but you broke the key ring. So we're going to reverse engineer this. So if you take your proton ring, it's going to break. As the proton ring breaks, it's going to come apart here, like so, and then it's going to start to unravel. And as it unravels, the particles, the electron rings that are held in place as it comes apart, now will be changing their state. They will be changing from an electron ring to several different things. So if you look here, it comes out. Now, if you've ever seen an atomic explosion, what's the first thing they see? You see light coming out. So just think of it this way. Think of thousands of particles. They're breaking and they're coming out. They're changing state. Light state, like a green light state. Blue light state. Red light state. We're going to get to what light is later on. See how that makes sense? What's the other thing that comes out of an atomic explosion? As a particle comes out, sound comes out. You got to start thinking sound in terms of particle. So as this atom is breaking, all the things that we see are electron rings changing state from one to another. Another thing that comes out, electricity comes out. Magnetic energy comes out. Several different types of energy comes out. It's just the same particle changing state. So if you reverse engineer one of these, does it make sense? If you break one of these atoms, particles come out. Doesn't that make sense? So now if we go back to the old atom, the old proton, the magic atom, the electromagic force, and the little electron ball, and it's floating all around, and you bust one of those, and it breaks up in pieces. Do they see half, like right here, half a proton and a quarter proton? Do they see proton chunks? No, they don't. You know that if you studied it. So the geometry of this doesn't make sense. Just remember, physics and chemistry are easy with the correct geometry.